Alright, this is going to be Trioving round 2. I'm going to have to just start picking right away. I've been able to get this a little quicker, and I think I'm going to open it and see if I can maybe remove some of the wafers depending on how big the key pins are. So we'll see. Pin 7 drops a lot, I've learned that. And we'll see how many wafers I picked through this time and that sort of thing. Okay. And then I know when I have to set pin 7, usually a few pins up front drop. And see, like right now it's time to set them. So at least 2 drop, I think. Oh yeah, I'm having a hard time with that one. Alright, so this time I set him pretty good. Although I think he dropped when I was setting pin 6. Maybe not then. Alright. There we go, open. Alright, so that was pretty good. And let's open her up and see what I can take out and switch around. Okay. Alright. Caught on one of the drivers. Alright, there we go. The drivers I'm just gonna leave inside because those are actually, there might be wafers in there. Yeah, there's actually, let me see. There's only one wafer in there. Okay, so I actually did a pretty good job. Should be a wafer in chamber 7. Yeah, just a little one. Okay. Okay, so now the reason why I can't take all these wafers out is because, well, actually I should probably I have to take out one of the drivers. The reason why is because some of them are going to be too, okay, some of them are going to be just too small, like this one over here, pin 1, combined with the driver, is going to sit below shear line. So let me just double check. What's going to sit at about shear? So I'm trying to think if I want to leave that or not. I think I'll leave a wafer in there, a bigger wafer. And let me just see how the other ones line up. I'm doing a lousy job of doing this through the camera, but okay, so I'll leave a wafer in there. And I think I'll do the same with these shorter ones. But then the longer ones don't need a wafer. Yeah, like this guy here and this guy here definitely don't need wafers. See? So I think I'll take those out and pin 5 I'll leave out and pin 4 I'll leave out. Yeah. Alright, I'll leave that guy out too. So I've taken out some of these wafers, 4 wafers, and I think I'll practice like that on this lock and see if it makes much of a difference. I'm not sure. This time it didn't really, because I only picked past 1. And usually if I overset pins, I can just reset. Oversetting them is not really the biggest deal. It's just the harder part is just getting them set and staying set in the first place, I guess. So maybe there'll be a part 3 soon. Thanks for watching and happy picking.